Welcome to this presentation, Root Cause Analysis Templates for Healthcare for When Time is Money. Let's go ahead and get started. Here you can see an example of a template from the library of over 200 RCA templates for healthcare in PROACT On Demand's template library. And this one deals with a medication error. Now you could browse through our library of templates to see if one of them matches the case that you're working on. And likely at least a portion of it will, but an easier way to do that is to use the keyword search feature in PROACT On Demand. So let's go ahead and see how that works. Here I have begun my logic tree in PROACT On Demand, and this is dealing with an allergic reaction due to a medication order process error. So let's see how the keyword search function works. I can highlight the node and go to my previous suggestions and make sure that text is highlighted. And now I've got these possibilities that have come up that could have caused a medication order process error. So I'm just going to choose a few of them. Now very quickly you can see that I've got these 5 blocks added to my logic tree. And we will say that we've done a little bit of legwork, and we've determined that a manufacturing error was not true. So we can just, of course, mark that as not true, and then continue down investigating and ruling in these possibilities in or out as we do our investigation. So let's try the dispensing error and do a keyword search there. And we have these possibilities: the correct prescription dispensed incorrectly. I think that may be possible. And we could also say it could possibly have been a doctor prescribing error. And we could say the wrong medication version was dispensed from the pharmacy. So I will go ahead and add those very quickly. Now I've got those on my tree. And of course, no template is going to match what case you are working on exactly. So of course you do have the ability to add freeform nodes as you see fit. So I will just show you how that is done and add that onto my tree, and that will appear right here on this level. So I will do my next keyword search now on, let's try the wrong medication version dispensed from the pharmacy and see what comes up. So I've just got a couple that are in there. So let's see that possibly we had a change in the pharmacy medication formulary. So I'll add that to my logic tree. And we're starting to make some pretty good progress here. So I will search once again on this one. And let's see, the only thing that comes up here is no quality control evaluations done on formulary change, but I think that is very relevant. So I'm going to add that to my tree. And let's just continue doing the keyword search and see what we can call on out of that template library. Okay, organizational and system related. This is something that we have put in our templates to where it is going to trigger the human error templates that are in our library. So once I do a keyword search on organizational system related, you may recognize some of these possibilities here as the Joint Commission categories for doing root cause analysis. So I will go ahead and pick a couple of these. So we'll say communication in this particular instance, and I will also put in supervision of staff. So I'm going to add those to my tree. And let's drill down just one level further, and let's see what comes up by doing a keyword search on communication. So here we have inadequate communication between participants and procedural failure. So I think that those are relevant, and I'm going to go ahead and add those to my tree. So as you can see, by doing the keyword search feature in PROACT On Demand, we have called upon the prior knowledge that is in our templates and gotten from this allergic reaction that caused patient harm all the way down to the fact we changed the medication formulary in the pharmacy, but we did not get input from physicians and from other folks to make sure that we're going to have the proper medications in stock that are not going, so we are not going to cause an allergic reaction to our patients. And this is also going to indicate a procedural failure. So when a change in pharmacy formulary is going to be initiated, there needs to be some sort of procedure and process to go through before just doing it unilaterally. Thank you for watching this presentation of PROACT RCA templates. If you would like to get more information, you can contact John Bartlow at the contact information below, or you may click here to learn more about the PROACT On Demand and the templates. Thank you very much.